Hello everyone. So in this video I'm discussing with you how to create this type of simple navigation bar menu with the drop down menu. Okay, so firstly I am created this particularly folder. In that I have created the two files, that is one HTML file and one CSS file. Okay, so now we are going for to create that type of navigation menu. Firstly I am writing the HTML code. Now I am linking this new.css file in HTML file. Okay, so my navigation.css file is linked here. Now we are going to create navigation menu. So in the body section, here I am using the header tag first. In that I want this logo. Okay, so I am creating here the div section and giving the class name as a logo, and in that I am giving my name. Okay, so now for the navigation section I am using the new tag. In that UL and li okay, so my link list. Okay, my list tag is created. Now I am giving the different navigation menu names. Home, then second one is an about. So here I am creating the sub menu for product. So here I am in the li, I am giving the class name as a sub menu, and in that after completing my AI tag, here I am creating my new UL tag, or in that I am creating my li tag. Okay, one second. So I am copying this for all this area. So here my sub menu is created for product. In that I am taking one UL, and in that I am creating the 4 link for my product. Okay, so here my this UL tag is closed here, this li tag is closed here. Now after closing this li tag, I am creating a new li for another navigation menu. So this my UL tag is closed here and new tag is closed here. So now we are going for the designing part of this HTML file. So here my new section is here. Here my CSS file. In that I am first setting background margin and padding as in 0. And also I am setting the font family as an sans serif basic property. Okay, so now we are going for particularly header section. So in the header part, position I am creating the is an absolute to the then top position as in 0, left is in 0, padding I am giving that is 0 100 pixel. Okay, background color I am setting for the header section line. Width is an 100% and the box sizing property I am setting here border box. Okay, so now this basic designing is created. Okay, so my background color is set and padding is set. Okay, so now we are going for this particularly logo section. So in logo we are creating here header dot logo. Okay, so for logo we are setting the color property as in white, then line height I am created because all the navigations menu I want in a single line, means in a perfect way. Okay, perfect like a logo, then there is a no margin and padding difference. That's why I am giving the line height in the logo section and also in the navigation. Okay, so next is I am setting the height of my, so that is an 15 pixel. Font size I am setting that is an 30 pixel. Float property I am using as a left, so I want my logo on the left side. Font to weight should be bold. Okay, so now we are going to see that. So this my logo is set over here. It's like this. So the next point is that header, then in that I am creating this CSS for the logo. Now we are going for the new tag. Okay, so in that header new, I want all the text should be aligned center. So I am using the text align property as a center. Then okay, so my all this the center. So now header. Okay, so now I am designing this UL tag. Okay, so header, name and UL. Okay, so we displaying that in an inline flex. So okay, the inline flex property is used here. Display inline flex. Okay, so the difference is what here? By all this navigation menu in a single line. Okay, so next is after completing the UL, we are going for this particularly align. So header, name, UL, and we are going for the align. Okay, so header, name, UL, align. So we are setting the list type as a none. Okay, then position I am setting as an relative to my header. Okay, and font weight should be bold. Okay, so this is the so next we are going for this. In li we are going for the particularly a tag. Okay, so header, name, ul, li and a. Okay, text decoration property I am setting as a none because there is an underline for the particularly text. Okay, then display in a block section. Okay, so then line height should be same as an same as an logo. Okay, so here the line height should be same as it in 15 pixel. Color property I am setting here, that is in white. Okay, text transformation property I am using here uppercase. Padding I am setting, sorry, okay. So this is how the first look like. Okay, so next we are going for this particularly product section. So this all should be hide in this. Okay, so next we are going for the UL, li, and in li we have also created the UL tag. So we are going for that as a header, name, UL, li and UL. Okay, so position, that is an absolute. Okay, absolute to that particularly this li. Okay, then setting as a left should be 0. Text should be aligned as a left. Background should be same as an new section, name, display property should be none. Okay, so there is a no, you are not saying that all the submenus of this product name. Okay, so next we are going for hover effect. So now see here in this section, whenever I am going for this product navigation hover effect, my navigation menu is shown. So after creating this navigation section, whenever I am hovering this particularly new menu, so my drop down menu or sub menu is showing. So we are going for to create that type of effect. So what we are going to take header, name, UL and li. Okay, whenever I am going for this li, then here I am giving the hover effect over here and ul. So my ul, this should be shown us. Okay, display block. So okay, my all this hover effect is completed. So you can now, whenever you are going for the product, you are see this drop down menu. So we have to align that stuff. So header, name, ul, li, ul and li. How? This ul and in that li and in that particularly li, I am also created this ul and this li. So I am adding for this CSS. Okay, so display should be block, width here setting that is an 115 pixel and font weight should be same as an. Okay, so I am setting this not, so we are going to see what happened. Fine. Okay, complete. So now the next and the last tab, that is this particularly color changing over it. Okay, so this last part is remaining here. So header, name, ul, li, a over, and so I am setting the same property header, name, ul, li, a dot active. Okay, whenever I am going for the particularly navigation menu, so that type of navigation menu is activated. So the same color and background property is set. So color is same, is in white. Background I am changing, background color lime green. Okay, and cursor pointer. So next, okay, see. Okay, so this menu and this should be same. This is my navigation bar and this is I have already shown you. Okay, so how this drop down menu is created. Okay, so if you like my video, then share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.